Hello everyone, my name is Om, and today's topic noise pollution. Noise pollution, one of the primary sources of noise pollution is urban areas is transformation, particularly road traffic, the congestion level of cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycle contributes significant to ambient noise level. The additionally constructions activity including darling, hammering, and heavy machinery operations generate substantial noise, often in residential areas, industrial facilities such as factories and power plants are notorious for emitting loud sound from machinery and equipment in a relational setting. Events like music, concerts, fireworks, and sporting activities can create high level of noise, impacting both attendance and nearby residents. Impacts on health. The health effect noise pollution can be profound, prolonged exposure to the loud noise can lead to hearing loss, especially in urban industrial setting where noise levels condition exceed safe threshold. Noise pollution is also linked to sleep disturbance, increase stress level, and evaluate blood pressure. Chromics explore to noise has been associated with cardiac disease and cognitive impairment. Children living in noisy environments may experience delay development and learning difficulties. Noise pollution can disturb communications, leading to social isolations and disparate quality of life. Furthermore, wildlife and marine life are not immune. Excessive noise from human activities can disturb economics, affecting breeding patterns and communication among species. Regularly measures and challenges government and environmental agencies worldwide is the important of addressing noise pollution. Many countries have noise regarding noise regulation and standard to limit acceptable noise levels in different environments. This regulation often focus on specific sources of noise such as vehicle noise, emissions, or industrial operations. However, in enforcing noise regulation can be challenging due to the diverse and diffuse nature of noise pollution. Urban planning that encourage noise mitigation strategies such as green space, buffer zones, and sound proofing measures can help to reduce exposure to harmful noise levels. Technological solution. Advanced technology offer promising venue for combating noise pollution. Electric vehicle, for example, are better than traditional combustion engine vehicle. Possibly reducing traffic noise to urban areas. Noise reducing material and engineering design can minimize noise from construction and industrial activities. Innovative urban design concepts such as noise barriers, sound absorbing prevents, and aim to create quieter and more livable urban environments. Additionally, noise monitoring systems using sensors and data analytics enable real-time assignment of noise levels, facilitate target involvement, community engagement, and awareness. Raising public awareness about the impact of noise pollution is crucial for fostering community engagement and individual actions. And individual action, e-commerce behavior such as reducing unnecessary honking, observing noise pollution is contribute to noise reduction effort. Thank you. It's all about noise pollution.